Welcome back. Now that you know about VREs and what they are, we can explore some of the contemporary research activities in VRE projects within the European Commission-funded H2020 project. Here we see the set of projects funded by the European Commission H2020 programme in the area of VREs. VICEEM is based in Southeast Europe and covering several domains. MUG is dealing with the domain of multiscale genomics. Open DreamKit provides mathematics resources. Bluebridge, this VRE consists of several environmental science VREs. VRE for EIC, this project provides a reference model and components for VRE. Westlife is a VRE for biosciences. Everest is a VRE for environmental sciences. SciGaia is a special kind of VRE providing resources for research and education in Africa. Some are domain-specific, e.g. MUG or Open DreamKit. Some enable VRE access to specific domains, e.g. Bluebridge for several environmental domains. Some provide a gateway to existing other resources, e.g. Everest. Some are more general, providing resources for regions, VICEEM and SciGaia. Finally, VRE for EIC provides a reference model and components to encourage common VRE development and cross-linking of VREs to allow multi-domain research. Let us look at each one in turn. VICEEM provides resources for various research domains for Southeast Europe and the East Mediterranean in a repository with archiving and discovery services. MUG handles multiscale genomics with access to information, including analytical tools, and access to underlying e-infrastructure services such as computation. Open DreamKit provides a cooperative space for mathematicians to work together on mathematical transformations. The architecture allows sharing of ideas and proposals for such transformations. Bluebridge provides a set of sub-domain specific VREs utilizing pre-existing tools from a project named D4Science and research infrastructures to provide the information, all linked to e-infrastructures such as large data stores and computation. VRE for EIC provides a reference architecture and components to allow communities to build interoperating VREs. The architecture is designed as packaged services, which may be adopted by others and within which there are microservices so that individual modules within the services may be replaced as better or more relevant modules become available. Westlife provides a VRE to link existing bioscience domain portals to various infrastructure facilities. In this case, the architectural diagram has the e-infrastructures for storage and computation at the top and the user at the bottom. The VRE manages metadata concerning the computing jobs dispatched to the e-infrastructures. Everest deals with environmental data and provides a VRE based on the concept of research objects. The slide illustrates the complexity of the architecture, but clearly distinguishable are the user, the services, and the data clusters of components. SciGaia provides resources covering various domains in Africa, searchable using metadata, and encourages uptake of the developing e-infrastructure. Looking to the future, interworking requires convergence, interoperation, better user interfaces, better APIs, that's application processing interfaces, while standardization is encouraged through the RDA, that's the Research Data Alliance, VRE Interest Group, which was initiated by VRE for EIC and Everest. Both of the above require a rich metadata catalog with formal syntax and declared semantics for the assets required and used by a researcher. On the left of the screen, VREs providing the user interface to silos, including a domain-specific research infrastructure and underlying e-infrastructure, precludes cross-domain research. A layered architecture separating research infrastructures from e-infrastructures, as seen on the right, permits cross-domain research using a suitable VRE. A reference architecture for VREs to enable cross-domain research has been pioneered by VRE for EIC. VRE for EIC is part supported by the European Commission H2020 Work Programme through Grant 676247. And finally, here you may find references to access details on the VREs mentioned in this module.